say Cameroon strikers mienu biama Ghana yenka ni enchiremu ye aha ayentiase fie from last week by reports be bring them say just because of Asante Kotoko be here strikers at the end of this first round, enchire say Cameroon strikers aba obi anim say yes striker ba akoko nemom no as we speak Cameroon striker bia ne Kotoko bia meye training. Social media, the internet, sa unverified news neba no anye careful about agent ha. Yes, me no e ka say no based on official position of Asante Kotoko. Cameroon strikers mienu bia emaye na enkomo no de etiankasa no na meye this particular video with Kamara Mohammed Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Kamara Mohammed and player also be ball Kotoko ofri Kotoko e friend Razak Abalora also aba picture num because Kamara contract with Asante Kotoko no ebe at the end of this season. And no, there is nothing that could be done because Kotoko signed for 2 years. In 2024 July 17th, 18th, there be Joseph Ablo and Kotoko signed the 17th. Kamara was 18th. So I said Joseph Ablo na Ofrigini and na eba half-year club related. And a Kamara also onusu Guinea. Inti omode no omode no let me say the same day, but Kotoko decided to announce the deal a day and after. So they mention inti omumi enu nyina no apart from player Samba O'Neil so the contract at the end of the season, these two players so contract at the end of the season because Kotoko signed 2 years. That's the unfortunate part of the whole thing. Kotoko signed them for 2 years. I remember very well. It was Coach Ogumnane and Kotoko Edeba to say, "Oma sign these players for two seasons." And that time, they were the 3 foreign players who joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Meka Kamara, Meka Joseph Ablo, Meka player, a friend of Samba O'Neil. Now, at the end of the season, ebeye May, which is 2026. By that time, only about season every and a contract near signed in July 80. Ebe come bear 1 month. Samre no omo contract abewe. Now, nkomodie no, ena medema ono. Kotoko are on them to extend their contract. Kotoko are on them to extend their contract. Their replacements have not come in yet. Their replacements have not come in yet. Player, your friend Razak Abalora. Before the start of the season, we can see a report be what I say. Razak Abalora has been linked to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, set to join Kotoko. Unfortunately, the deal couldn't materialize after Kotoko signed Aziz Adari. So, say Razak Oko Europe na de bia asem we yeka the returnees de bia me say Europe no o fa bi nsi dan ho o ma mi nsi dan ho o papa mmo bra bi ngu ho na akwa enjoy okwa it said you oko start from the scratch no tia mi nwa keto apita mi do akwa de bia me ye video a me fa akonya so editu nofo deals ne beba but over 1 year 2 years na fe de o say pe wachi aba. There are several examples I can mention. Now, sikana okoje no with consistency utena ha ubenya seska no no asa nya din no edin pa no. Now Razak Abalora de no ono enanka wo se Kotoko sign no before say Aziz Aruna Adari de no ebe ma yakofa Aziz Aruna Dari. eti eno nti a Kotoko enye another renegotiation with your friend is saying boy no Razak Abalora as we speak now and ne crowd nke kobobo ya adwenya o Samate's game so a bunye beka say the depleted squad your squad I dey kono first team players 17 and ye dey youth players afra and ye dey kobo sa game we so enti ke wose ke adwen koso but nsem bi e koso o media no so a ehia nkyeremu enti yet again I'm confirming it here say Kotoko has not reapproached Razak Abalora. Currently as we speak, Kotoko goalkeepers no ayamiensa, which is Kamara. He is on the verge of leaving because the contracts no ebebe at the end of the season. On only deal no free South Africa. Kamara deal no free South Africa. And based on the report I can say initially na Kaiser Chiefs for and na epeno. Obekai this year before the season never shall see no. I think August. Kotoko a couple Toyota Cup no. A couple penalties no or ye heroics to ensure that Sante Kotoko edges harden. Inti no the potential suitor no the first one on the list no a Kaiser Chiefs. And Durban City for no so another approach. Na Durban City no already Okoa Fredekasare ho no match day squad kra no ontimi enyamumura. Ena South Africa senior goalkeepers baako 38 baako 35 omunyina omo Durban City ho goalkeeper adwuma no the more a wunyino no na wo ye better sare goalkeeper adwuma no tie eti omo nso ahya bede for Kamara but I know the minim say emfa because already asare no call kura ohunu so omo no they have trust in their senior goalkeepers into South Africa deals na ewo homa Kamara no ena Kamara no the contract never year 2026 with Asante Kotoko July into Sunday betie dia Mirianom Senchobi ena a conjecture say Sunday dia goalkeeper nka Kotoko okofa no which is Razak Abalora Kotoko enya mfa no de kofa Aziz Arura Dari no say Kamara kodia sa goalkeeper no at the end of the season Kotoko be kwa kofa no enti if that one is anything to go by Razak Abalora ebe join Kotoko at the end of the season and the first round ni me no e ka say Kotoko headache Kotoko tipa yesisi aro enye goalkeeper asem yemfa goalkeeper nsem nto baabi yewi abeba Cameroon striker no so enti Razak Abalora nkomodie na ekoso se obaba ka be replace Kamara no kure wo mu ni say Razak beba ebeye at the end of this season first round Kotoko sign goalkeeper bia as we speak Kotoko ne Kamara contract kwa akopem at the end of the season at the end of the season mobenya akoma pa no wa extend the kra na so extend it na dia na chese Razak Abalora no onya nsamba back because Razak Abalora no ofi Kotoko ene call ho Okoya eranye ye na waba oba na anu no oni Nania FC ene ye training sisi a ara bi two boys no for samotina motina ebeboa mo mo motim kura na munya beboa mo ntina obi beko ama wa be ho but boys ne beko enti Razak Abalora de no de ewom no afa yekwama da ho a yenko yes Cameroon strikers mienu aba me yonko ba ko pa or you're very close to Kotoko coach Abdulkarim Zito ana one Razak one coach Sarki Abdulkarim Zito din komo say na o titiru media no so ana o say Cameroon striker bia ni ho a wabada koja ache eye justify te say de internet na eka no na abet amo akoye no and the management the IMC and the technical team every who say we have to find a replacement for Abet Amoa. Inti Abet Amoa replacement ni yebeye ne den yen cast ye net wide ni yen ko foreign anasi yen local ni yen replacing with a local player. And a suggestion never say Kotoko history I war Cameroon in terms of scouting no omo mo de infe game no ho ahwan bae no. Let's contact them for them to scan Cameroon ho so mbenya young player under 20 nanka oye very good na omo assess no omo assess ni wi a no waba na physically so coach no ahwe no eno anie ena Cameroon strikers mienu abagana Cameroon landed ena YouTube for no hey Kotoko 2 strikers from Cameroon landed. I didn't say to the bia person a 2 futrogu adasa enisa Kotoko enia break obo samates with the depleted side o say Cameroon strikers landed bia ni ho. So decision no kra no mpanyifo en arrive on the decision say no omo be fa bi locally because locally atakumi o baby any go stars no boy no enya Kotoko obeba atakumi wabo 6 goals onya Kotoko obeba Nations FC winger no Emmanuel ano onu sunya Kotoko obeba but onu de enye striker asem onu de ne Peter Abidu akwa nso nkomo no Peter Abidu akwa nkomo na ayese say Peter Abidu akwa nso offer kesi aba nti ono nso contract will sign in 2023 or sign 3 years na no so beba wie 2026 nti ono nso be kwa ono nso replacement beba na Emmanuel Alonso so nya Kotoko do bebo nti to say the decision no has been left na nkomo ba ku bi nso wo ho eno nso ehase a long time ago Kotoko ko kwara no Kotoko akwaje number e wo Nigeria say John Mark Shisha no so Kotoko nya na open enti among all these choice no ena mpanyifo ebetena say edi abobo eni ate point no ma consider no ma hwe the best two omu se beboa enti say no nkomodie na akwa ese Cameroon komo no wo ho ena Nigeria ni no Majon Shisha no so de no wo ho ena locally and also de wo ho se Kotoko be pe local player or very good sana nkomo na ye se Kotoko ko for Cameroon strikers mienu se say no de donzo ye no kra no agya mpanyifo ayam hihye say some foreigners no mo ba aya na hype ne doso nti say foreigner be ba kra na was a donzo no senior man kakra nti yankofa senior man sa e be pe obi o ye young Fernando Bassi Nigeria ni yo buy ono so amfa eno koy nti foreigners na ya muka say foreigners Cameroon striker Uganda striker no e 37-2 in the last few years see proper analysis of foreign players or maba Kotoko in the last 10 years in the last 10 years an example last 10 years Sonny Yakuba ebe fall under that category Sonny Yakuba ebe fall under because 2015 na or Kotoko in fact from 2015 ba or between 2019 na in the last 10 years foreign players no omo ma be hit no na me buboyi Sonny Yakuba Mfege somehow 50-50 Mbela ena Mokwala in the last 10 years no foreign players o ma be hit o ma ba o manya form Kotoko no afi o ma o manya form no hwan na bi Keita ayi akwa yi bitintin bi ai kofa ne free hwan ba yi bran bi edingira omunyina no amfa Fernando Basimo amfa kopem the last one aba say ye say be fa, which is Donzo. Enti foreign no a bit me fa, but say no ratio no percentage about 30% NFA, because in the last 10 years no 4 pe and I would move so mabenya constant hit or Kotoko, which is Sonny Yakuba, Mbela, Toga, Mukwala, and Mfege. Mfege no second year and far half. So the mechono. It's foreign when na echo round no. Kotoko ayese obefa foreign a year. Na ebeye young player under 20. Under 20. Let's say, ono no cry some man more years. So on the adena no. Ano ene insama no cry me metimi aka. Ewo. Na me de be say Kotoko yemfa nsua de. Last year na yes sign Kamara, yes sign Joseph Ablo, yes sign Samba no. Busa onsa didn't say mo 2 years. As you see players na betwitwe mo good nipa so. Last year 2024 and I sign players no 2 years your both season we are nyina contractor so omoko foreigners no the foreigners no I didn't say I more 5 years ni bi ya more 6 years ni bi say na me no ka say no ida say ehuma bro be mutirim say ye be extend but ye be ko na Kotoko enya kakra na say obi obeka say oh say dey me tena nkasa me say sign another 2 years. Sana nkomo no aye. Minua. Enti e de yakoba nyina no nukure wo ma no no. Nukure options na abeto ho. Enti Kotoko no the obehu ni say be the best for Kotoko no na Kotoko aye. But say Kotoko sign players any kwan say 2 years. And say 1 years no. Maximum 6, minimum 4 years.